have you look at this and tell me when you hear the heartbeat.
Out of the way. I'm busting loose. This is a brand new day. I'm moving on down the road. I'm heading towards my future, gonna find my pot of gold. So I used to feel small, polite and quiet. I'm letting go and I'm not
We provided screenings in the community for blood glucose, so that's those blood sugars.
My doctor helps me fix what's wrong. My nursing helps me keep me strong. My physical therapy helps me get up out of bed.
I'm moving on down the road. I'm gonna find my future, gonna find.
So you'll see people that are sterile gloves, they have to hold their arms up, but they're in surgery.
I'll find a friendly girl.